Bay at night. Hello, Kuya Dimet. Three.
Grabe, sinibra.
Hi, Ate Marilyn.
Gabhan, is it Linda?
Mini video.
Hi, Ate Marilyn. Where are you? There? Singapore. Naulan na. Oh my God. It's beautiful. We're on the way to the Marina Gardens by the Bay. Hi, Ate. Hey. Hello. Hello. It's my first time to come here at night. Night na ba? With my family. My brother.
Diretso na tayong ano? Orchard, Alana.
Oh, sige. Ouch! Ang daming Pinay, dami nagtatagalog. Asa te? Asa na sila? Kuya? Yes.
Uwi na.
Finally, I made it. Marina Gardens by the Bay at night. This is beautiful lights. Wow! Hi! Oh. Wait, Tim. Wait, sa Tim. Video ko yung lahat ng ano.
Sorry mo ba?
Hello!
I-video ma, i-video.
Nag-video na ako. Video na sila. Hi!
Picture,
Hi,
picture,
Kuya.
picture.
Video nga ang ginawa ko eh.
Ma.
Picture dyan ko na siya.
Kung hindi lang ako kumakakamit.
So nice.
Ang kere din, wala mo ni. Kana ragi yung uba.
This is Gardens by the Bay at night. It's time check around 7:30 in the evening. It's so beautiful here. And my brother and my sister is really amazed. They're really both amazed. It's their first time here in Singapore.